We are walking into D106 here at Lamar Place. And check this out. It is big and it is beautiful. Upgraded in every way, super clean. It's our very popular Daniel 2-bed, 1 patio floor plan with 814 square feet. Look at the flooring, the giant living room space. You know, I love this particular first floor unit for a lot of convenience reasons. So right outside those windows is a swimming pool. Those are your mailboxes, and 25 feet from your front door is the laundry center. So the location is killer. Okay, this kitchen has been platinum upgraded with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Look, the plastic's still on them, brand new. It has a dishwasher as well. It has subway tile backsplash, LED lighting to save you money on your electric bill, deep sink, brushed nickel fixturing. It even has USB ports over there to charge your phone. This kitchen is perfect. Okay, moving around the corner, this hallway closet. You know, I mentioned the laundry center being 25 feet away. Well, just in case you want washer dryer connections inside your unit, you have those too. You're welcome. Okay, this first bedroom on the right has a patio off the back. It has a big closet over there, and the bathroom has also been platinum upgraded with new cabinets, granite countertops, beautiful mirror, super clean. I love it. Here on this wall is your smart thermostat, which you can of course control remotely with your phone. There is yet another platinum upgraded bathroom in perfect condition. In the hallway here are some extra shelves for storage. And then in the final bedroom, a couple of windows and a closet over there. So that's it. Our Daniel 2-bed, 1 patio D106 at Lamar Place. Come see us and make this one yours. Thanks.